the Blacksmith. This is Max Rydholm with the Max's Minute podcast, and today I have a story about resilience. Once upon a time, a young blacksmith named Imon lived in a village in the mountains. Imon was known for his incredible craftsmanship and determination. One year, a storm swept through the village, destroying many homes and businesses. Imon's workshop was not spared. His tools were scattered, and his forge was left in ruins. The villagers devastated, and many believed it would take months, if not years, to recover. But Imon had a different mindset. Instead of accepting despair, he saw this as an opportunity to rebuild better than before. Every day, morning and night, Imon worked tirelessly. He salvaged what he could and improved where he needed to. His hands were blistered, his body exhausted, but his spirit remained unbroken. The villagers, they watched in awe as Imon's workshop began to rise from the ashes. Inspired by his resilience, they also found the strength to rebuild their homes and businesses. Slowly but surely, the village began to flourish once again. Imon's story, well, it spread far and wide, becoming a beacon of hope for others facing their own storms. His resilience taught the village that while we cannot always control the challenges we face, we can control how we respond to them. This story, not just about a blacksmith in a village. It's about all of us facing our own storms and finding the strength to rebuild. Remember, like Imon, resilience is not just about surviving the storms in our lives. It's about thriving through them. It's about using our challenges as opportunities to grow and return stronger. Execute today. Thank you for checking out Max's Mental Minute. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a rating or review. Let's close the gap. Day one, every day.